Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How are you all today? It's great to have you here. Welcome to everybody. What's going on today? Lots to talk about here on the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I trade every morning and every evening for the opening and closing bell. Everything that you see here is real. That's my real money on the screen there. We've got a real family of traders here on YouTube. This is the place to be. Where we all support each other, we all learn from each other. In fact, my portfolio has grown from 5,000 up to what was 58, was the record just a few days ago, yesterday, and it's dropped back now to 56.1 in just a few months. It's been an incredible journey, and we're getting stronger and stronger all the time. So please join us. Let's get straight over now to the main portfolio. Here is my actual position right now. Here are my all my stocks and shares. I have over 40 different stocks and shares. I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, plus I have plenty of stocks and assets and dividends and all kinds of different stuff. It's a diverse portfolio, but I'm focused on trading it all the time. Some of it I trade by minute. Some of it I haven't even traded at all yet. Long-term investing, but remember, it's not about joining a fan club. It's about investing for the future and seeing opportunities as they arise. If it's your very first time, click subscribe and ring the bell. We go live every morning and for the opening and closing bell, and we're just 28 minutes away from the bell. Smash the like button. We've got a new record, 50 likes. 50 likes. We're a brand new channel, only a few months now, and we're nearly a professional channel. We're nearly monetized. We've got 3,200 hours. We're doing very, very well. Now, the big news of the day is SEV. Let's have a look at it. It's been pumping throughout the night, and the pre-market is up 12%. Absolutely unbelievable. Let's see what happens with this today. If we watched, you all know what happened with Rivian. It's now falling. This is a classic pump and dump situation. It could be a great company. I love what it's doing, but it's incredibly overvalued right now. Like we saw with Rivian. If you've been following Rivian, let's go straight into that. You'll see what I mean. Look, we're down on the pre-market. See, this is way bigger than Sono. Way bigger. And look what's happening. It's dropping and dropping and dropping. This is the time now to get back in. And what I'm doing now is I'm buying as we drop. Okay, that's the way I do it. I've now got 5 shares of it, and I'm buying as we drop now. So where are we now? We're looking at 137. So I'm going to buy a share now. We've dropped, because we've dropped again another 6%, and we're still falling. So here we go. Let me buy another. I'll buy. Shall I buy 1 or 2? Let me put it in there now. I might buy 2 now. Let me set for 2. At this price, we're starting to fall now. So let's set a review order, set limit price. So if we put it at 140, just to make sure we get it at this price, that's the way to go. And shares 2 expires, good for the day, allowing after hours, which we are now, and we're going down. So review order, and we're now going to buy another 2 shares of this as we drop, and my 5.5% will drop. You ready? Okay, here we go. Let's get it. Your order, Rivian purchase, done. There we go. I've just purchased 2 there. Now at nearly 6% down, so I'm saving money all the time. And if you look at my 5.5%, if I refresh the screen, that loss will drop. Ready? Here it goes. That loss is now 3.5%. There you go. It's getting better. Now, the reason why I'm buying now is because I want to be in Rivian. I love what Rivian does, but I don't want to be paying those top prices. But I do want to buy it as we drop down, because it could easily start to rise up again, and I want to be in it. So I want about 20 shares of this. Look at my portfolio now. My buying power is down to 707, and I'll keep buying these dips on the way down. So it's overpriced. Why are you buying? Alexander, well, Rivian is a great company, not because of trucks, but because of its deal with Amazon. The fact it's going to be producing those Amazon electric delivery vans. That's where it's at, not the trucks. The trucks in the US is irrelevant. It doesn't concern me at all. Great, they got it, but that isn't to me where the money is. The money is with the Amazon vans, because that's all over the world. The reason why I'm buying in now is because I made my money on the way up. I bought in, sold, bought in, sold, all these here, and then I bought and sold and bought and sold all the way down. So I made money on the way up, made money on the way down, trading it. It's overpriced, but what I'm doing now is I'm buying it on the way down because I want to be in this stock. I want like maybe 5%, 6%, 7% of my portfolio in Rivian long term. So what I'm doing now is I'm buying the dips on the way down. So you don't want to be buying into stock if it's something you don't really believe in, just to try to make money from it. For example, Sev right now. Look at Sev right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. This is about to crash now. This is exactly what Rivian did, right? You could buy this now thinking, yeah, I'll make some money, but that is like that's like betting on red in a casino. Who wants to play? Who wants to gamble? We don't want to do that, right? This is insanely overpriced. They've got no revenue whatsoever. Just like, I mean, look at it, 193% up. It's absolutely insane. Remember, when they priced these shares on the pre-IPO day, that's already overinflated because the company want to make money, the investors want to make money. It's already overpriced. And then everybody gets excited because everybody wants to be in on it. And remember, the reason why stock goes up is because at the end of the day, there's none available and the price goes up and people will pay more, and that's what pushes it up. But let me just make a slight adjustment to my TikTok audience. Bear with me a sec. I'm going to tip that down very, very slightly. There we go. Let me adjust that a bit. Is that any better? I think that's probably better. There we go. All right. I just made a slight adjustment there for my TikTok audience who was getting a lot of sky. That means nothing to you, but well, let's go over to the app right now. Let me show you what I meant by that. This is my TikTok audience, and they were seeing a lot of sky. I've got a brand new tripod today, and I've just realigned it so it looks better. All right. There you go. Let's come back over to the app I'm using, Robinhood. And let's welcome all our guests here this morning. Portfolio is up at the moment, 0.3. That's lovely. Perfect positioning, I think, right now. My buying power is $700. I'll make some money from something. Let's bring all these... Let me bring in all our chat this morning. Bill is here. There he is. Grabs his comfy chair in the corner, watches the show and waits for the bell. There we go. We've got 20 minutes to go before the bell. Let's get Dr. Nathan Smith on the show. There he is. Our celebrity doctor. Welcome, Dr. Nathan Smith. Lovely to have you here. Mark Corn is here from the UK. Mark Corn, hey all. Who wants $10? Who wants $10 cash from me today for free? Who wants $10 money? I've got 7 opportunities left. So Alexander, if it's your very first time here, you look familiar. I'm not completely sure. Have you clicked subscribe and rung the bell and given us a thumbs up? We'd love to welcome you to the family. If everybody in the family, if everyone in the house could put their cities and countries from, I think Alex is new, and we'd love to invite everybody in to welcome Alex. Love to learn where Alex is from, what he's investing in, and how we can help. Over there on Fizzy, good morning. I need you to come into YouTube because I didn't get the free stock. You know when you won the Apple stock from me, the $150 Apple, I didn't get the free stock. Could you come in to the live chat on YouTube so I can give you my cell phone so you can text me? I need to check the account. I didn't get the referral from Robinhood for you. So if you could just come in, that would be very, very helpful. Just for a brief moment, if you could come in, I mean, it's better to watch me on YouTube anyway. But if you could come in, click the profile link here, click the icon, and jump into YouTube. That's the best place to be anyway. All right. Yeah, I'm glad you came in because I need to get your email because there's been a slight mistake, I think. Balasair, what's the word on the final frontier? Final frontier? What's that? What are we talking about there? We don't gamble here. We make educated bets. You might. I make educated investments, but no bets for me. But I get where you're coming from. Balasair, I've resolved our situation with Robinhood. I actually had your stock. It's Fizzy, who I didn't get. And just to let you know what I got, because I said to you I would tell you what I got with you. It's Fizzy I didn't get, so it came in at the same time. So that's why I was confused. Let me show you the rewards. Past. Here it is. So let me share with everyone how I see this. Okay, if you take my referral code, which I'm going to give you now, if you're in the US and you want a free stock, let me drop that into the chat right now. This is for everyone in the US only. I've got a UK one as well. There we go. There's the US one. Everyone sets up a portfolio with Robinhood will win a free stock. Fizzy got a $150 worth of Apple. Hey, Julius Caesar. Hey, look. Hey, this looks fun. Hello from the UK. Hello, Julius Caesar. A new member, I think. Smash the like button. I'm from Cornwall in the UK, but based now here in the studio in Texas. Right. This is my app here on Robinhood. So if I look at rewards, click this here, and this says past. If I scroll down to past, there we go, Richard B. There you go. There it is. And I got a 1 share of CPRX. CPRX. $7.46. There you go. That's what I won. Thank you to you. And you got your free stock as well. Fizzy, I didn't get it. I just naturally assumed when that came in, that was Fizzy's. But it wasn't. Actually, it was yours. So, Robert, we've solved that. Thank you for taking the time to help me with that. All right, so if Fizzy could come in, I'll check his. But I had an email back. That's how good Robinhood is. Let me show you. I'll show you. This is the email I got. This is how it works. I want to share with you how it all works. Robinhood, look. I'll share this with you. Robinhood said, "Hi, Martin. Thanks for reaching out. Robinhood, hope you're doing well." There we go. I've received your stock. And you've already had your stock from Richard Balasair. Okay, there we go. So I've already had that. That's how that works. All right. Let me just change the screen a second. There we go. All right. So there you go. So now you know that's how it works. I wanted to share that with everybody. Let me correct the like there. There we go. So hopefully Fizzy will come back in. Right, we're watching Rivian this morning, still dropping, and I'm buying the dips. Right, now it started to rise. You see that? Look, I've now got 7, and it started to rise. So I could now make money from it again. But we'll see. If it drops down again, I'll buy some more. So I'm just down 2% now. It's perfect. Perfect. Rather than being down, if you look at it, look, I mean, it's dropped like from up here. It was up 55%. We're now down. We're now up 21. So it's dropped 30%, and I'm only down 2%. That's the point of buying the dips. That's the point of buying the dips. Could buy a lot more, but I've got 7. I think it will go lower. Right. Okay. So let's have a look now. Let's have a look. Got some more comments coming in here. Julie Corn, if you could let me know where you're from in the UK. Everybody, put in the chat where you're from, and smash the like button as well. SPAC, a SPAC. Okay, we'll look into that, Bill. We'll look into that. Ready for $500 on something new today. Ready to be charmed. Hey, Joshua James has got $500 to invest. He's waiting to be charmed. I like that. There you go. So there's my referral if you want that free stock from Robinhood. Mr. Steckel is from Liverpool. We've not yet heard from Julia Caesar. She hasn't come back to us yet, but thanks for sharing everybody's cities and towns. Appreciate it. Right, now then, You've been asking me, could we get support for a UK brokerage? And yes, I've set that up now for the UK. I'm using eTORO. I tested a number. This is the one I think is the easiest and the best to use. So I'm going to drop that now in the chat. There we go. There is eTORO. If you click on that and set up an account during the show or whenever you like, but best during the show because we can share with you, we share with the audience what stocks we get. I am going to do something a little bit special here. And I've got 7 opportunities left. I've already used 3. And I've not had the confirmation for those 3 that yesterday, but you told me 3 of you did it yesterday. So there's 7 left. What I'm doing is I get a bit of a bonus from eTORO for you setting up the account. So what I'm doing is I'm sharing it with you. I'm giving you $10 in cash, PayPal or Zelle or Apple Pay to you for free, just for doing it, because you asked me to support eTORO. So let me show you over there on the other brokerage. Here's Robinhood. Here's eTORO. I opened an account, put $50 in it. I bought myself some Apple, as you can see, and I'm up 0.01% this morning. That works in the US, so you can have it in the US. So have two brokerages. Have that as well. Anybody can try it. I believe it works in Canada as well, Bill. So if you set yourself up an account with eTORO, I have 7 opportunities left. I will give you $10 in cash. I will give you out of my own pocket $10 in cash. All right. Okay, the referral link's in there. So we now support eTORO and Robinhood. Okay, so if you want to get that, you can. And Balaser has shared the fact he's in from Austin, Texas. And a SPAC is the final frontier. I'll have a look at it after the bell goes, Bill. All right, please remind me again if I forget. Okay, let's go over to Rivian now. Starting to lift up. That's nice. Now I've got 7 shares in it at these lower prices. Did you see my strategy? I made money on the way up. I made money on the way down, and now I'm getting back in because I believe in it and I want to be in it. Not available in Canada. eToro's not available in Canada. I thought it was. Okay, have you clicked on the link and tried it? I think it is, but I may be wrong. We've got Gavin Prosser. We don't have access to Robinhood in the UK. That's why I'm giving you eToro. If you come into YouTube, click on the link here, click on the icon on my YouTube, on the profile here on TikTok, and come into YouTube. That's where we are right now. And that's where my trading team is. And that's where I've dropped the link for eToro. And I will give you $10 cash just for setting it up. They give me 10 opportunities to do it. I've used 3. I've got 7 to go. Once it's gone, it's gone. All right. Okay. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic, the final frontier, SPAC. What are we talking about? Oh, I like that. Virgin Galactic is up 0.34 on the pre-market. That's good. Tesla up 2%. Wow, everybody. Tesla's up 2% on the pre-market. Absolutely great. Rivian is now, let's have a look. Rivian is now starting to lift off, and that's okay now because I've got 7 shares in it. I'm okay with $1,000 in it. That's okay. Would like to get about 20, but 7 will do for now. Virgin Galactic is now moving up. That's wonderful. Up 0.34. GGPI now. GGPI might be worth a go now. I just signed up through the link. Oh, Sky McAnally, wonderful stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to give you my cell phone number. Okay, so when I get confirmation that you've set up the account and you funded it and so on and so forth, I'll be supporting you here on the channel, and then I will send you $10. And how I'll do it is I will send you either via PayPal or via the Apple Pay. So what I'm going to give you now, Sky, is my cell phone number. So please text me. So I have your number, and I'll text you back, and I will then be able to text you and get your email, and I will be able to PayPal you and all that stuff, right? There's my cell phone. I can't pay you until it's come through and verified, and I will show you on eToro when it comes through. So that means we've got 6 left now. We've got $60 to give away if anybody wants it. And then, of course, we'll also invest on eToro and show you what we're doing with it as well. So you got support as well. Can't see pre-market on eToro. You can't see that? Yeah, no, well, yeah, I mean, eToro is different to Robinhood, of course. It works differently. I've just started using it, and I will obviously share my experiences with you, but I only set it up yesterday, so I'm obviously watching. We're watching Robinhood right now, but here is my eToro just to keep you in the loop. There it is. There it is. There's my account right now. And you're saying that you can't see the pre-trade. So we've got 9 minutes to go. Let me look on let me have a look. This is the first time I've done it. So let me have a look. Let's see if I can. My portfolio. Here it is. Let me see if so if I click on Tesla and I want to buy something, sell, buy, set rate at market. Yeah, you can. As you see, I can go on now and I can go in and purchase on eToro if I want to buy something. I don't right now, but there you go. It is working. We'll cover more information with that as time goes by. Okay, so if you text me now, Sky, or if you prefer the email, that's fine. I'll give you the email as well. Here we go. Here is the email as well. Whichever you prefer is fine. I'm just trying to make it as easy for you as possible, so I can send you $10 once your account has been funded. All right. Okay. So there we go. Alex, can't see the pre-market. Yeah, I think we just answered that one. Right. Let's have a look now. Let's watch all these stocks. We're up now 0.37. We've got 8 minutes to go before the market goes. Can everyone smash the like button? Not everyone has smashed the like button. The ticket price to this show is completely free, but what you have to do is smash the like button. We got 12. Can we get 15 likes? Smash the like button. Our average is now 20, and we got a record of 50. So smash the like button if you wouldn't mind. That would be absolutely great. Smash the like button, and there we go. We've got 12 now. Let's get up to 15. Okay, Alex. Alex, I think you're new, right? Where are you from? Let's go look through now. Tesla just dropping back slightly, but still at 1.84. Love that. Think Tesla's going to be 4,000 in a couple of years. Rivian moving up now. Great. I'm just $20 down. I've got 7 shares of that. If that drops again, I'm going to buy some more. Virgin Galactic now lifting up. Very, very nice. I wonder if I should buy. I could buy some more, but no, I'm not going to. No, I won't do that. My average price is no, I'm not. That's not the right thing to do. Gores Guggenheim is dropping down 2% now. We've dropped quite a bit. This is a new a merger that's going to happen with Polestar shortly. And of course, today we're looking at our Rocket Labs. Rocket Labs. We've got the launch today, right? So let's go back to, where is it? Let me find it. Rocket Labs. RKLB, isn't it? There it is. Rocket Labs. Right. We are down on the pre-market. But we could have a lift off today. We'll see what happens with this one. Open a new tab. Let's get that. Let's watch Rocket Labs today. Maybe an opportunity to buy the dip here. I'm down. I'm up on this one. But might, yeah, Rocket Lab. I might actually buy. I'm up on it 5%, but there's a little bit of a dip now. No, I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm not going to buy anymore. You have 28 shares. Been following for the past few weeks. Oh, wonderful, Alex. Thank you very much indeed. I had no idea. I apologise. We're getting more and more people in the show, so I apologise if I don't remember everyone's name now. We started out just a few months ago with no subscribers, and now we've got 1,740, and we're growing every day. Right, Tesla just dropping back. Rivian is now up. Okay, it popped up, and now it's dropped back again. An opportunity might pose itself for me to buy some more. Virgin Galactic doing well, up 0.5%. Great. Bill is up 3.4%. Nice one, Bill. That's great. Pre-hours. Congratulations to you. And all the important subscribe. There we go. Oh, I'm the one from Malta. Now I remember. Now the one. Julie Caesar says she holds Tesla. So do I. I've been buying when Elon Musk tweeted. We know all about the tweet, right? We know all about the tweet. I'll share that with you. Did you all see that? I'm going to bring that up in a second and show everybody that situation. Yeah, I sure hit the like button. Thank you very much indeed. Let's keep our eye on Rivian for some buying opportunities. We got 4 minutes to go right now. Let me show you something very, very important. I've got some breaking news today as well. I want to share. Right, we got 13 likes now. Let's get up to 15. Right, let me show you over here on Twitter. This is what it's all about. Oh, RKLB. Great. Right. I want to share with you. This is what we were talking about. Let me just show you. Keep watching Rivian. Oh, there she goes. Rivian dropping now. Good. I like it. It's exactly what I want to see. All right, here we go. This is what I want to show you. Let's see, guys. We've got 2 minutes to go. Rivian, I've got it on hand. Don't worry. This is what happened. Elon Musk got into a rant with Bernie Sanders and others about selling his stock. And if you remember, what happened was Tesla dropped. Big drops. We had all sorts of drops. So we had like 20% here. So I was buying on the way down. So I've now got 11 shares of it. It's great. It's 18% of my portfolio, which is about right. I don't want any more. 20% is fine. I mean, even though I love it, you can't have 100% all in one stock, right? That wouldn't make any sense, right? I mean, you've got to have a diverse portfolio at the end of the day. So let me go over now to the overall portfolio. We just dropped that back. We are still up today. Let me look at it. If we go here, we'll see we are still up now, 0.04. That's absolutely fine. We got 2 minutes to go. Let's get back to Tesla. We are keeping an eye on it this morning, and Rivian and RK Rocket Labs. Rivian, go on. Let me get some more. I'll happily buy more of you, but I want you to go even lower. The buying power now is 707. Okay, starting to run out of cash. Hey, Joshua James, one play for today. One play for today. What do we think? GM. Muhammad Ali is here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Virgin Galactic is pumping up now. 0.5%. That's great. We got 1 minute to go. I'm going to get some cheaper stock now. Great stuff. We've got 19 people watching. One more person. If we can get up to 20, the family will be here, and you know what happens then. Good morning, Ali. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We're buying some Rivian now on discount. Don't be sucked into Sev right now. Sev is ridiculous. It's doing exactly what doing exactly what Rivian did. All right. Hi all, Musanella's here. Thank you very much for joining us. Smash the like button, subscribe. We've got 17 likes now. If we get 20, I will announce the family's all here and you'll see what happens. It's really, really cool. Right. Sono dropping back. There you go. Rivian, let's watch it. I'm looking for a bargain. There we go. Down it goes. We've got just 20 seconds to go. I've been buying the dips. I don't mind buying the dips. Because I want to be in it. I don't mind if I pay a bit more, but it'll get less and less as we go down. Here we go. 9, 8. Balasair says, yo, he wants to jump in it just like I do. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's ring the bell. Okay, the market is now open, and let's see what happens to Rivian. Am I going to buy some more? I'm certainly in the market for it. I'm certainly in the market. I want to get to about 20 shares of it. Okay. One more bell. Just because I like ringing the bell. What the heck? Right, let's go across now. So I'm now 4% down. Should I buy another one? No, my average is 143. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I've got 7. If it pops up, I'll make some money. If it goes down, I'll make some money. Whichever way round, I'll win. It's fine. Rocket Labs, let's go over to it now. Just starting to lift off. Did you buy some? I've got 15 shares of Rocket Labs. The overall portfolio is just dropping slightly. $707 in my portfolio. Great. Tesla just dropping back slightly. Rivian going down. Great. I love it. Have you made any money? Did you sell? Did you holders? You joining the fan club, guys? This is exactly what Sev is going to do, by the way. So if you're in with Sev and you're thinking, oh my God, I've missed out on all this money. You buy on the way up and you buy on the way down, right? I mean, it's just the way it works, okay? Unfortunately, this is one of those over a cliff edge situations. I'm not going to buy in that right now. Absolutely ridiculous. Evgo, I'm down 42% then. Thank God for that. I'm down 8% right now on Evgo. I could buy a little bit more of that. Not sure right now. Sono is still pumping. Forget it. Don't get involved with it. It's up to you. Don't take my advice. Do what's right for you. Lucid dropping back 7% today. That's okay. Virgin Galactic just dropping back again. We had a little pump there this morning. Rivian is now taking a dive. Down 7% today. Shall I drop another one? Down 7%. I'm going to wait. a little bit more. Let's bring in our guest today. We got Paul. He says, yo. Hello, Paul. And Balaser says, yo, as well. These are the guys who are looking to buy the dips with me on Rivian. Balaser is here, Muzanella is here, our biggest trader. If you look over on the app right now, it looks like we're dropping down 1%. We are. Rivian is falling. Let's go into the app and you'll see it as well on here. There we go. Rivian is falling 8%. Great opportunity to get it. Continue to fall. So let's get in now. I bought a Bitcoin at the top yesterday and CRO at the top today. Let me talk. Yeah, you want to talk about Bitcoin? Shall we have a quick look at it? It's 59, dropped back a little bit. Yeah, let me share with you. Good morning, Ali, as well. Welcome to you as well. Lovely to have you here, Mohammed. Lovely to have you here. Let me share with you. Bitcoin's dropping back now. We've got some dips in Bitcoin. Still believe it'll be 100,000 by the end of the year. I still believe that. But we'll see what happens. Rivian now taking a really big drop. This is now, we're now starting to, it's still overpriced. It's only worth about $50 a share. Just so we know, put this into context. The actual value of what it actually is today is about $50, and I'm being generous. It's not about, the future. It's about today. What would you pay for it today without all this hype? If this wasn't on the stock market and they walked into my office and said, would you buy our business? How much would you pay for it? That's what I'd pay, $50 a share. That's what it's worth today, and that's generous. Let's be honest. Paul, there we go. I bought Bitcoin at the top yesterday and CRO at the top today. Hello. It's not the top. The top is not yet realized. So you're okay. Don't worry about it. Rivian, those of you that just joined, if you're in the US only and you want to get a free stock, I'm hoping that Fizzy will come over and so I can talk to Fizzy about his Apple stock he got. Robinhood, there we go. If you want a free stock in Robinhood, I will share what I get with you. Set up a free account, and if you get when you get your free share, I will share with you what I get. We both get free shares. If you're also in the US and Europe, you can use this one, eTORO. I also support eTORO, and they give. If you use my referral, they give me a little bit of a bonus. So I share it with you. I give you $10 of my own cash. I don't have to. I just want to. I just want to, right? I want to give you $10 for being a fan of the show. So if you sign at eTORO, you can have both brokerages. I have 2. I've got 6 opportunities left. 4 have now gone. They only give me 10. Right, Rivian starting to resist. Shall I drop another one? Oh, there we go. Oh, it's tanking now, isn't it? How low will it go? Look at it. If we look at it now, how low will it go? I mean, don't forget, guys, it could be as low as this. It's still high, but you might regard it as, well, I'll buy one. Just keep buying one as it goes down. 8%, 9%. It's a big sell-off today. How low do you want to go with it? How low do you want to go? Now it's gone down 10%. Okay, I'm getting ready to buy another one. I'm going to get ready to buy another share. And my average now is 143. Review order. I'm going to buy another one. Let's watch it. 9. 143. My average is 143. That's what I'm doing now, getting my averages down. 143. I'm going to buy one there. My average 143. Did I just buy that? Yeah. I should now have 8. And if I refresh the screen, 142. There we go. My average has dropped again. Okay. So I'm just buying the dips as we go, because I want to be in it. You might say, why don't you sit until the bottom? I could sit until the bottom, but no one knows when the bottom is. But we know it's a volatile stock. We know it can pop back up again. We know it's got a lot of energy in it. We know ultimately it's going to be a great company. But at the end of the day, this is the opportunity now to start buying in. So you could wait and wait and wait and wait and wait, and then you'll miss should it start to rebound at this point. That's why I'm just buying on the way down. I'll keep going until I've got about 15, 20 shares of it. All right. So there we go. Tesla's now up, nearly 2% today. Let's look at the overall portfolio. I've got $575 left, so I'm going to have to make some money from somewhere else if I want to buy any more. Right, we're starting to lift up now. Rocket Labs is now starting to move up. Tesla is now moving up even more. Rivian is still going down. When it drops down to maybe 13, 14%, I'll have another go. Virgin Galactic is dropped but starting to recover. GGPI, let's keep our eye on that. This is a new one. Going to link up with Polestar. Lucid now starting to lift up again. Robinhood, we're down today. 2.8%. When those wallets come out, that's what everyone's waiting for. What everyone's waiting for is the wallets. Harpoon Therapeutics down. I don't know if I should even bother with that anymore. On semiconductor, every day it's up. This is a great one. I only have one. I'm up 21% on this one. It's constantly going up. Really good opportunity, this one. Rolls-Royce, of course. This is Rolls-Royce, the engines, not Rolls-Royce, the cars. Right, we've got 18 likes. If I can get 2 more likes, please, I'll bring in the family. You'll see what I mean when I do that. Smash the like button and ring the bell. If you subscribe to the show, many of you have not rung the bell. You will miss breaking news throughout the day. Over there on TikTok, Time Records. What's the price of Rivian? The price of Rivian right now. I'm talking to my TikTokers. If you want to see it and be part of the main show, click the icon here, click the icon again, and come into YouTube. That's where you need to be. That's where we are right now. Come and join us. Rivian now is dropping even more. Let me look at the chart of Rivian. Let's sort of see what exactly is going on. If we show you the chart, here we go. This is Rivian right now. You can see a lot of volume coming in for sell-offs. Huge volume, by the way. And still going down. Let's have a look at the volume of it right now. See how many trades. We had 7 million, 8 million trades now. 8 million trades. Where am I getting the information from? Robinhood's given that information to me. That's over here, 8 million trades. This is my position right here, 8 million trades. So the volume not bad at all. AMD is looking good. Thank you for that, Alexander. AMD, if anyone's interested, Mr. Alexander just posted AMD is looking good. There you go, some breaking news for you from Alexander. Great stuff. Rivian starting to rebound. That'll work lovely for me, as I've now got 8 shares in it. Can you explain the day trade rules on Robinhood? How do they get round the federal regulations of trading on unsettled money? Have $25,000 in your portfolio. I can now trade as many times as I like, right? You can turn on I'll show you, pattern day trader to protect yourself from it. You can turn that on. But I've now turned it off because I hit it. And now, as long as I keep 20, it says here a day trade. Thank you very much. A day trade is the purchase and sale of the same security on the same trading day because the value of the stocks and cash, because your stocks and cash is over $25,000, and that doesn't include crypto, by the way. You're exempt from day trade restrictions. So if you have a Robinhood account, you've got over 25,000 in your portfolio, you can trade as much as you like. So that's my situation now. And it's great. I was concerned about it at first, but now I trade 100 times a day. I'll trade when it's right. Roblox is pumping. Shall we have a look at Roblox, everybody? Roblox for Paul. He's breaking news here. And let's go into it. Roblox. I think I used to be in this one. Didn't I at one point? Yeah, up 8% right now. Up 8%. Let's have a look at it. Yes, it is. There's Roblox. Engages in provision of online gaming services. Its platform consists of Roblox clients, the Roblox Studio, and the Roblox Cloud. There we go. Up 37% this week. Thank you very much for sharing that, Paul. Back to Rivian now. Starting to lift off. That's why I bought the dips. I don't know how low it's going to go. I don't know, so that's why I just buy as it comes down. The overall portfolio is now lifting up now after all this volatility in the morning. If we go over to the chart of Rivian, you can still see the sell-offs. Full disclosure, though, there's a couple of minutes delay on this chart. Robinhood. I'm looking at getting some other charts using the Webull charts. Even though I hate the Webull app, the Webull does supply some good charts. David McMahon, I think that is. Yes, Jasper Carrot. It's funny. Yeah, I'm talking to our TikTokers now. I get some funny comments from my TikTokers. Apparently, I remind him of Jasper Carrot. Please do. I'd love you. We'd have so much fun with that. If you could come over into YouTube, click the profile link here, click the icon, and you'll find my YouTube link right there on my profile on TikTok. Come into the live chat. You can see my actual trades. You can see my actual money. And today, I've got $60 to give away in cash to people. No strings, no catches. I'm just giving $60. So I've got $60 to give away to anybody over in the day. You have to be on on my YouTube channel. I'm giving $60 away. I've got 6 more $10 gifts to give away, and I've got to give them away. I can't hold them. I'm just gonna give them away. So if you want to win $10, then come and join us. If you don't, fine. You don't have to. Rivian. Okay, let's go back to it. Rivian now is starting to pick up a little bit. Right, slowing down. The volume on Rivian is slowing down slightly. Oh, Rivian dropping again. Are we going to get another little drop? Let's have a look at it. Tesla's now rebounding, of course. We saw this when Tesla dropped when Rivian went up because everybody was putting their money into Rivian. Now they're selling out and buying back into Tesla. They think, oh yeah, Tesla has it going on. Absolutely it does. So don't remember that. Tesla is the bigger company right now, and Tesla's got more potential. So just keep that in mind. Lucid is now pushing up. GGPI is pushing up. Robinhood is now dropping again today. Thank you very much. Oh, Leah, could you put the heating up at all if you're not too hot? It's freezing in here today. Only if that's okay with you. Leah's my wife in the other part of the house, and it's a bit cold. Right, Rivian is now dropping a bit more. Okay. So what I need to do now is I need to make some money from somewhere because I want to buy some more Rivian. I not necessarily. I mean, I'm okay from a couple more trades, but a couple more trades. But at the end of the day, I want 50. Oh, this is one as well. If we're up 1.32, Boeing is one I want to get out of. Boeing is one. It's okay. It's lifting up today. I'm $63 down. Let's have a look at Boeing now. Past month 7%. Past 3 months 4%. I'm slowly getting my money out of this one. Boeing has been disappointing. I'm down 6%. I might get out of that today if that continues to get up and $60 down. I might prefer to use that $1,000 to buy some Rivian because I would like to be in Rivian, but I just want to get the dips as it drops down. So it's going down again. As we hit about 13-14%, I'll buy another one. I hope you guys, don't follow me, but I hope you guys did listen and sell at the top and then buy back at these dips. I hope so. I hope so. Dr. Nathan Smith, he bought in at the pre-IPO for $78. Now he's sitting there thinking, okay, I've doubled my money, I'm fine. But I still think the right thing to do, and I've proved it. We actually did it last week, didn't we? Live on the show, where I showed the difference between buying and holding forever. And that's nothing wrong with that, if that's what you want to do, But I call it like joining the fan club, really. You can do that, because then you can relax. You just go, okay, in 10 years' time I'll be up. And that's right, you will be up. But at the same time, we proved it. I actually gave you the actual figures live in the show that I actually made more money by trading it rather than just holding it. And now I'm doing it again. I'm buying all the dips. Now I could wait, but I'm not. I don't want to wait for a bottom and try and time the market because it's impossible. I want to buy on the way down. That's the way I do it. Everyone's got their own strategy, of course. Virgin Galactic. Oh God. Down so much. I had an average of $35 at one point, guys. Can you believe it? And I managed to. I'm down about $2,500 now on Virgin. I just don't know how low this is going to go. If we look at it, it's all time. It's all time lows. I mean, we go here at 1550. It could go as low as that. I mean, at one point it was 7, but that's when it first came out in 19. We've established what we're doing. I can't see it'll hit that again. So it's very frustrating. Apple's looking good. Yeah, but it's got no real explosive growth at the moment, has it? Compared to other things. I've been in Rivian. I've been in Apple. I like it, but it's not got any real explosive growth. We've got 19 likes. If we can get one more like, that's really nice. We've got 19 watching and 19 likes. Absolutely fantastic. You guys are the best. Should we have a quick look at Apple while we're waiting for Rivian to drop a bit more? We'll keep our eye on it. We're not gonna lose it. Apple. I love Apple. I've been in Apple, and We are doing very well with Apple right now. We are. I've got one share of it. I'm up 5%. But yeah, Apple is up today. But you see, when you say, this is what I mean. When you say Apple's great, if you look at it over the last 3 months, it's 30% in a year. It's great, but it's not the best use of my money. That's all I'm saying. Apple's great. Of course it is. It's a brilliant company. But is it the best use of my money? And it wouldn't. I mean, my portfolio has grown from 5,000 to 58 a couple of days ago. That hasn't happened just by sitting in Microsoft and Apple and Google and all these things. Even though they're the greatest companies, we all know that. You can't grow your portfolio by just investing in Apple unless you're going to wait 20 years, And that's fine. Some of you want to do that, and that's fine. That's just not for me. Right. I'm trying to not spend any of my own money, not invest any money, just grow what I've got. And that's what I'm trying to do. So I trade, make money from it, buy it, do it again. I end up with free stocks. That's the idea. Right. We're down now 11%. I'm looking at another position now. I might... See, I'm only down 3% though, even though with Virgin Galactic I've recorrected, so I'm actually not a lot worse than that, but it's only showing 3%. I'm not going to buy any more of it though. It's got to start to perform, and it will do. I've just got to wait. Got to wait till January. Rivian, whoa. So what's everyone's? I want to know what everyone's position is with Rivian. Tell me who's in. Who's waiting to buy? Right, okay, poll of the day. Here we go. Poll of the day. Let's ask a question. I'm going to ask you all a question. Oh, hello. Press the wrong button then. Let's try that again. Ignore that one. That was a mistake. I've just deleted that. That should disappear in a second. I'll try that again. Oh, 1:30 now. Okay, will Rivian hit $120? Oh, Murray Machines is here. 2,000 at 146 and 1,000 at 133. Ooh, wow. Murray Machines, wow. Huge respect to you. It's got 2,000 shares at 146 and 1,000 at 133. Wow. I bought back in at 133. I'm buying all the way down. That's the way I'm doing it. Right, I'm now going to buy another one. 129 now. So I'm going to buy one. This is going to keep going now. 128. This is going to keep going. Broken through 130. I've just asked you the question. Will Rivian hit 120? So if you've been following the show, you saw me make money on the way up. And now you're seeing me make money on the way down. All right. So, here we go. I'm down 10% on it now because I'm about to go and reduce that. 128. I'm going to buy now another one. I love when IPOs do this because it's a way to... I've made about $800 when it went up. So now I've got 8 free shares of Rivian, and now I'm getting in, and now these shares will be there so that this company can grow again. This is really exciting. I love this opportunity. Rivian is, everybody who just held and didn't sell. Thank you very much. And those that are panic selling now at the top, thank you very much. We're all buying the dips now. So what should I do? What should I do? Should I buy another one? Average 142. Yeah, I'm going to buy another. I'll buy one. Let's buy another one. Let's drop it from 142. You ready? Okay, here we go. Buy one. Done. Right. There we go. Average cost now 140. Love it. This was 180, 177 a couple of days ago. Oh, like 30, bloody hell, nearly $50 a share more just like 2 days ago. Wow. I mean, there's billions of dollars being traded right now. Murray Machines, I'm honoured to have you here. This must be one of our biggest traders. Let's do a calculation here. Let's do a calculation here. 2,000. So if we average 130, so 130, 140. So that'll be 3,000. 3,000 times 140. $420,000. Murray McKines, if my calculation is correct, has invested nearly $500,000 into Rivian. That's our biggest investor. Our second biggest investor was Robert. Robert invested $330,000. This is $420,000. Wow, this is our biggest investor on the show so far. Congratulations to you. How does it feel right now? Because obviously you're down. How are you feeling? What's going on? I'd love you to share your thoughts with us. Yeah, I mean, we're talking serious money now, guys. Serious money. And I mean, I'd love to get his opinion on that. Wow, $500,000. Yeah, I mean, seriously, I'm a bit terrified for him right now because if you've been watching the show all the way through Rivian, you'll know my thoughts on that. I mean, he paid 2,000 at 146 and 1,000 at 133. Wow. My wife's not happy at this stage. I bet not. Now, for you, we're going to talk honestly. You know my thoughts if you've been watching the show. You will get your money back. You will. But it might take a while now. You will get it back. It's a great company. I hope you didn't buy in because of the trucks. The trucks is not the thing. It's Amazon's deal, which is everything. Those Amazon delivery vans all over the world are going to be the big catalyst for the company. The trucks is only really popular in America. No one cares about trucks outside of America. And the biggest market is the rest of the world, right? That's where Rivian needs to go if it's going to grow into its stock price. But right now, and if you've been following me, the actual value of the company is about $50 a share at most. At most. If you walked into my office and said, how much would you give me for my company? I would look at what you've got, what you're earning, and so on, and I'd go $50 a share. But of course, with Rivian, because of the EV market and everything, we're buying into the future. We're buying into the future projections of the company. That's okay, but how far in the future do you go? Like I said before, if I had a Ferrari that was a collector's car, and I said to you, it's worth $1 million. Now, it's rare, and it's worth $1 million today. And that was the price of it today. And you paid $1 million, you go, that's fair, right? If I said to you, would you pay $10 million? Because in 10 years, it's going to be worth $10 million. You'd go, well, no, in 10 years, I'll buy it. No, I'll buy it now at $1 million, and in 10 years, it'd be worth $10 million, right? Well, that's what we're doing. People are buying into the future of this price. So, really, I want the majority of my shares around about $60, $70. Now, that may not happen because people won't allow it to get that low because everybody's buying in, so it makes it go up, right? But you will make money on that, but it will take some time. I'm very impressed, though, because $500,000, you are our richest member of our show by a long way. And I would suggest, this is only up, I mean, this is what I feel. If I was in your position now, but this is not financial advice at all, because you've got, $500,000, right? I would, I don't even want to say what I think, but I will say it. I would sell, but you're going to buy back because it's going to keep falling. Now you'll go, well, I'll lose money if I sell now because I'm down. You won't if you buy back lower the same amount. You won't because you're buying back. If you sold and walked away, you'd lose money. And we're talking seriously, guys, now. I'm talking to someone with $500,000 invested here, right? If he sold his position now, as it dropped back, he buys the same amount of shares. He's eliminated all these losses, and he's got his stock cheaper and cheaper. He's corrected himself. He's corrected the situation. If you think, on the other hand, it's about to flip up and go back up again, then for God's sake, don't do that. I believe it's going to go down because all IPOs do. All these pre-IPOs. I mean, let's look at SEV right now. SEV is a classic example, and it's already doing it. Look, SEV. Look, I mean, look at it, guys. 168. It was on like 180% up. You know. It's not that bad. I have 40,000 invested at 102. Oh, okay. So you bought some lower as well. Okay. Well, that's great. If you have some at 102, that's brilliant. So that balances your average out then. So your average is a lot lower then. $500,000. I'm out. Yeah. I mean, yeah. See, if you look, Sono's doing the same thing now, dropping back, right? And that's what Rivian did. And that's what Rivian's going to do. So, good morning, Christopher. Just joined us. We've got a guy here with $500,000 invested into Rivian right now. And with averages at $130, $140 a share. I not financial advice, but you know what I just said. I would sell. I mean, I did that with Virgin Galactic. Right? I sold and let it drop further, and then bought back in again. If you walk away, you lose the money. You've lost your money. But if you believe in the company and you've got $100 of Rivian at $100 and it drops to 80 and you sell, you're currently down 20%. But then you buy the same amount of shares back at 50. You've saved 50%, and now you're in it at the best price. That's how I do it. But, Rivian is continuing to drop, down now 12%. If we look at it now, it's dropped. I mean, we're talking huge drops. We were, I mean, seriously, we are talking now serious amounts of money. We were at... let's have a look at it. 172 a share. We're now 128 a share. So I am buying all these dips and all the way down. So I'm going to buy another one in a second. But not yet. So average is about 122. Okay. Jay Grunt, thank you for that. Average is about 122. Didn't you set a stop loss? I don't set stop losses. I don't like to do that. I do it manually, sitting here in front of you and watch it. Because stop losses are a great automated way of doing things, but they don't get the sentiment of what's going on. And it's not the way to. I don't like stop losses because suddenly you set a point at 10. To sell at 10, and as it hits 10, it suddenly shoots up to it suddenly shoots up to 20. So I like to watch it and see what's going on. It's a little bit, it's automated, means you can go out and sit on the beach, but I like to sit here and be involved in it. Okay, look, consolidation now at 130. People seem to like 130. Now, what could happen now? It could trade sideways all day and then drop back down again. But this could be a consolidation point. So it could be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy 140. I'm going to buy another one at this point because it could be it's going sideways. Buy one quickly, get in there. 129 buy. Right, I've now got 10, which is great. Which, by the way, if they reverse split, because they probably will at some point because the price is too high now, when they reverse split, what will happen is I will have 100 shares. Make sense? I'll have a contract. You need 100 shares for a contract so I can do options on it. All right? So the idea is always want 10, and then if you get a reverse split, because what will happen is it'll be for every 10, for every one you get 10. So I will have 100 shares, which means I will be able to do a contract on it, and so on and so forth. So that's what I want. And they could easily reverse split this, because now people can't buy, regular people like me can't buy contracts of it, because I'd have to buy 1,000 and what would it be, $13,000 worth of Rivian for a contract. Not everyone can afford that, so they reverse split it. All right, so you get it's worth $13, but you have 10 for one. See what I mean? Wait for the bounces. There you go. 500,000. I'm out. Oh, Christopher says, "Good morning, all." Here he is. All right. Right. I asked the question. Will Rivian hit 120? 11 votes. Let's have a look. I'm going to go, yes, it will. 92% saying yes. Wow. 92% of you believe it will hit 120. Wow. So, you might argue, but why aren't you waiting then? Why aren't you waiting? Because it's okay to buy the dips. It's okay, because then you cover yourself. Because if it does lift off now, I've got 10 shares of Rivian at a much. I mean, literally, I've saved myself 10 shares, $50. I've saved myself $500 as of yesterday, right? I've already made about $800 on the way up, so I've now got $1,300 to play with, right? I've made $800 on the way up. I've saved $500 on the way down. So when this pops back up again to 180, if it does that, I'll sell that again, make another 500, make another that time it'd be $500. So now I've made $1,300. See? Anyway, I'm rambling now. I went off on a little train of thought there. I apologise for that. That was confusing. Why my order pending on eToro? Why is my order pending on eToro? Anpash, come into YouTube and talk to me properly. I don't know what you mean. What's your thoughts on QNT? I don't know. I'm not in it. I am in Bitcoin, but I don't know anything about QNT. I am in Ethereum as well. I've got a position on Ethereum. And I'll share with you my Bitcoin. There's my Bitcoin position, everybody, if you want to see it. That's my Bitcoin position. If you want to come to see all of this stuff, you need to be here on YouTube. Click the icon here, click the profile, and come into YouTube. All right, I've made it very easy. 3 clicks, 3 seconds, and you can be part of it. Come on in. Yay, I got eToro. What, using my link, Jay? Using my link? Was that using my link? Because I will give you $10 cash. Free money if you used my link. Alright, and I'll support it as well. Here's my eToro account. I'm up today. There we go. Look, my first investment with eToro. I'm up. Hey! That's because Tesla's doing great and I've made some money. There we go. There is my portfolio on eToro. I will cover it and to support it with you guys. Big drops now. What's going on? That's a big drop. What's going on there? That must be Virgin Galactic. Yeah, I thought so. Virgin Galactic is down 3%. Yeah, $500 down today. That's what's done that. Let's go back to Rivian and see if we can buy. I got it yesterday. Okay, great. I've not had anyone's confirmation yet. When I get confirmation, I will send you $10. But I need the confirmation. Once, if I don't get it in a few days, then I will come back to you and I will check with them or whatever to make sure. All right. Rivian down now 128. My average is 139. I could get it a bit less. Still going down. I love this. I'm sorry for those of you that are in it right now. But I had the same situation. Same situation with Virgin Galactic. I mean, I used to have an average with $35 a share. Thought you only had Robinhoods. So did eToro. Yeah, I have Robinhood and eToro. So for those of you in the UK and the US and Europe, this eToro account works. There you go. If you click on that, there's my referral. You can set up as many brokerages as you like. So anyone in the US, Europe, and the UK can set that up. There it is. If you set an account up, I will support it and help you. And also, I will give you $10 of my own money. I don't have to, but I just want to do it because they give me some money for you for referring you. So I'm just giving you $10 back as a little gift. So if anybody wants that, I've got 6 opportunities left, and I will then send you $10 of my own cash via PayPal or Apple Pay or whatever you like to support you. Hey, Kiwi's here. And if you're in the US, and this is only the US, here's my Robinhood, and you get a free stock. A few days ago, you saw Fizzy come on here and win an Apple stock, $150 for that. Didn't know that, so I didn't. So did it without your link. Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. No worries, mate. I've only got 6 left anyway. It's not a forever thing. You could always cancel the account and set it up again. I'm only joking. It's not worth doing for $10, is it? But anyway. Right, Rivian is now, everything is dropping. Look, Virgin Galactic is dropping, and I can't believe that's on 4% today. Bloody hell. Let's have a look at Rivian a minute. Right, we're now down to 126. Wow. How much money have I got left in my buying power? Everything is dropping now, guys. We're having a big day. I set it up because you asked me to. Everybody said, could you set... I remember every day I said, people were saying, could you support a UK brokerage? So I said, yes. So I said, I'll research it, find the best one. And I believe that eToro is the most simplest one. I tried several. The way they seem to do it works really well. So I tried several out, decided to support eToro, and then I set it up. The only way I can support you now or give you the $10, of course, is if you just close the account and open another one. I mean, I can do that. You could do that if you want, but you don't have to. I mean, I'll still support you. Anyways, entirely up to you. Rocket Labs is dropping down 10% today. Oh God, this is a day, innit? How's things, Martin? Dave, 78 STI. How are you? Sitting there in his tent. I hope you're not sat. I hope you don't live in a tent. A lot of red today. People taking profits. Yep, indeed it is. And it's a great opportunity. Remember, always buy when everyone's selling. Always sell when everyone's buying. That's what it's all about. It's all about repositioning. Sev is down. Oh, Sev is tumbling. Everything is now crashing. Everyone's taking money and running to the hill. So watch out today. Watch out. If you're okay with the stock and you want to stick in it, then that's fine. Right, here's a big one for me now. 544. Ooh. No, I'm going to leave that. Right, what's my portfolio? What's my buying power now? I've got never use leverage. By the way, that buying power there is my leverage. I'll never use it. I don't ever borrow money to invest. I invest from profits only. $315 left. $315 left. I said, would it hit 120? What did you vote? 15 votes. 87% say yes. 87% of you say yes, it will. Any shares for the absolute beginner? Any shares for the absolute beginner? Yeah, get yourself an Apple. Get yourself an Apple stock. It's slow growth, but it's pretty solid. Only got about $100 to start with. What would I buy? Well, what would if I only had $100 and I was going to buy something? Can you fractional share? Can you fractional share? Yes, you can with eTORO. You can, because I just did that. Yes, you can. You can fractional share. You can buy a small amount of a stock. You don't have to buy a whole stock. So if I was only going to buy one stock today, I'd buy Tesla. There's Tesla for you right now. I'd buy Tesla. If I was going to buy one stock, I'd buy Tesla right now. It's had a bit of a beating up over the last couple of weeks. Last week, so I'd buy one. Great British Pounds. Yes. You can buy it in pounds. You can buy it in dollars. It's on eTORO. On eTORO, you can, yeah. Right, Rivian still falling. If you're in the US and you want to get a free stock, and I'll share with you what I get. There is my referral for Robinhood in the live chat. And if you're from the US and you want another brokerage, or from the UK or Europe, here's eTORO. Here's my referral link. And out of the goodness of my heart, because I like supporting people, everyone that supports me, they give me a bit of money for doing that, for giving you a referral. But I will give you back $10 of the money they give me. That's what I'll do. All right, that's out of my own pocket. I'll just give you $10. I'll PayPal you it, or I will Apple Pay it, whatever. All right. So let's have a look at Rivian right now. We're looking at Rivian for opportunity. Look at all this. Look at the chart. It's just straight down. Nothing stopping it. Down and down and down and down and down and down she goes. This is going to be a day when we're all going to be sitting around twiddling our thumbs for a while. We're not going to make any money. All we're going to do is reposition. This is going to be an awful day, but it will rally by the end of the year. That's normally what happens. Big sell-offs in Virgin, preparing for the next rally in January. So it's an opportunity to buy more and lower your averages. It really, really is. Lucid is dropping 12%. Lucid taking a dive. Yeah, they all are. Look at Robinhood. Everyone. We're losing all this money today, but it's all part of the game. 127. Robinhood will bounce back up again when we get that wallet coming out. I'm ready to buy. I need to have some money on standby. I'm gonna I might sell one share of Tesla. One. Review my order. That's now, what is it? 22%, yeah. I've just sold 1 share of Tesla. That'll take me down to 10. I'm gonna buy another dip of that. That's good. I've just sold 1 share of Tesla because I'm gonna put that money back now into Rivian as we drop down, okay? And then I'll put it back into Tesla later on. Right, I've now got 1.5 grand. Lovely. Perfect. So now I'm gonna buy more of Rivian as we drop down. My average 139, went out 127. I've now got 2% of it. This is not bad. I will buy it when it gets lower. So I've traded Tesla this morning, and I'll buy a dip. We seem to have dips, so I made good money on Tesla, and I've got 10 shares of it. It's currently 20% of my portfolio, which is overweighted, so it's fine. I can afford to trim off a little bit of profit, and then I'll buy some Rivian with the profits, and then buy back with Tesla as we get the dip. Okay, that's the way I'm playing that. Boeing, can I get out of Boeing today? Nope, I can't. It's still dropping down. Apple's dropping back. Opportunity to buy Apple today if you want that sort of return. Oh, Sono is falling off a cliff. God, I hope you guys listened and took your profits at the top there. Down she blows. I'm showing a profit because I had the pre-IPO. That's all that is. Evgo. The whole EV sector is dropping today. Look, Blink. Everything is dropping today. If you want to buy discounts on all these EV stocks, then today is the day. Today is the day. People are taking profits now. Right, we got 21 likes. I forgot to mention, the family is all here. Once we hit 20, the family is all here. Thank you very much indeed. Thumbs up and subscribe and ring the bell. Really help out if you do that. If you're over there on TikTok, join us here on YouTube. You're missing the entire show because you're in the wrong place. You need to be on YouTube. As soon as I get notified that anyone has done my eTORO offer, I will transfer the money. But I need to be notified that's actually happened, and it hasn't been sent to me yet. All right, now are we seeing Rivian now? Let's have a look at the chart as well. Let's have a look. There's the chart, and as you can see, a lot of buying. And we're not getting any support at all at the moment. We had a little bit. We've got a little bit now, perhaps. A little bit now, perhaps. 128. Have we found the bottom? Have you got enough shares in it now? Thoughts on VR8 and Blockmate? I've got no thoughts on it. I'm sorry, but I've got a lot of my team on YouTube who will have thoughts on it. eTORO bought a higher price, Rivian at 128. Yeah, it's 128 now, so it's dropping. If you want to talk to my team about VR8 and Block, and also share your position on Rivian as well, come and join us here on YouTube. The link is here. It's right behind the profile, the icon right there. Click on it again, and that'll take you to my YouTube link, and you'll see me live on YouTube right now. If you come and join us, you can talk to the team, see my real position, and see the trading screens. You can't see the trading screens where you are now on TikTok. Right, Rivian dropping again. Is it going to consolidate at this position? Let's go over to the trading position. I'll share with you on my phone. This is how it looks on Robinhood. This is the app. You can see the just a bit of buying coming in now. See a bit of buying coming in. Absolutely, just a little bit of buying coming in. That'll be me. That'll be me. I am that big and important that I influence the market with my one share I've just bought. And if enough of us do it, yeah, we're seeing some buying coming in now, and 127. So you could regard this as a position now. We're seeing some buying coming in, a decent bit of volume as well, if you look at it. So have you got enough shares of it? It currently is 2% of my portfolio, 127. If we look at it, bring it into context, that's the dip we're talking about. It still isn't the bottom though, guys. I think it could go lower than this. The question was, 16 of you have voted now. Will Rivian hit 120? 88% say yes, 12% say no. Well, we're getting very, very close to it. We're getting very, very close. It's, are we forming a support line? Are we forming a support line, 126? Let's see. If it goes below 120, oh, it's going below 126. Give it a second. If it goes below 126, it's lost that support as well. See, it bounced on here. It bounced here at 126.40, and now it's testing it again. Let's see if it goes lower. Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar says Lucid taking a dive. Let's have a look at Lucid. Yeah, down 12% today. Robinhood is also everything's down today. If you're Amazon's up. If you're happy with that, I've got $1,000 in Amazon. Another great company to have long term. Rocket Lab's down 7%. Tesla just picked up slightly. Looking to buy that share back soon. Once I can make some money from something else. Watching closely now. Don't sell Tesla, Martin. That's crazy. No, it isn't. I'm extremely bullish on Tesla. Tesla is my strongest portfolio, strongest asset. Love Tesla. It's way bigger than anything else, the potential. But remember, it's about making profits. This is the most important thing you need to understand about my portfolio. I don't put money in it. I grew all this from $5,000. Okay, I keep reinvesting my profits all the time, and getting free shares. Now, the only way to grow a portfolio like that is to trade. If I want to go out, earn some money from a regular job, and then put money into Tesla and keep doing that, then that's one way of growing my portfolio. But I don't. My full-time job now is a full-time YouTuber. This is what I do. I sit here all day with you. I do my trading throughout the day. I do my music in the evening. All my income is this. My income is what I grow my portfolio, and right now I earn about $40 a week with YouTube all across the board. The music, I get nothing on this channel, of course, it's not monetized yet, and I get $40 a week with tips and stuff on my music channel. So I'm living on savings because I believe if I do this for 6 months, I will start to get this channel monetized and I'll start to earn a little bit more. It's going up all the time. It's $40 a week now. I'm living on the savings. So what I'm doing, I haven't got any money to pump into this. Okay, I've only got the money that's in itself. So what I'm doing is I'm trading. Now, if I just bought Tesla and sat there, yeah, I love Tesla, and Tesla's going to be $4,000 when it's going to be great, blah, blah, blah. I know all that, but I'm buying the dips and then re-entering the market. It's like when Richard Branson sold out sold out Virgin Galactic, everybody said, oh, he doesn't believe in his own company. No, it's not. It was right at the top. He made some money. He knew that the price would drop because they're not going to start flying again until, later on next year. So he'll buy back at these lower prices. That's good business. It's not good business just to sit and hold it. Sitting holding it is great, and in 10 years you'll have more money than you started from. But if you want to, but if it drops back down again, you're back where you started from. Whereas if you trade all the time like I'm doing, then in 10 years' time, my portfolio will be 100 times bigger than if I just sat down. But also, I've not had to put any money in along the way. It's just grown by itself. So basically, I just sold one stock of Tesla, so I've now got 10 again. I had 11. I made some money this morning on it. What I'm now going to do is buy a bit more of Tesla, a bit more of Rivian as it drops, and that will grow. And then there'll be an opportunity to buy back into Tesla and so on and so forth. And it's constantly shuffling the pack, moving around. I hope all that makes sense. That was my response to Julius Caesar. And don't sell Tesla, Martin. That's crazy. Well, we shall see. We shall see. And at the end of the day, I'm up. I was 58,000. We've lost like $3,500 these last couple of days. Yeah. We were up here, look. But there you go. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here. Hello, family. I love that. I love the fact she says that. That's perfect. Absolutely brilliant. Queen of Self-Braiding, if you go and check her out, she has a YouTube channel where she does self-braiding and hair braiding. Absolutely brilliant. And go and check it out. And I tell you what I'll do, because we've got some ladies in the house today that might be interested. Queen of Self-Braiding, I'm going to make you a moderator, a temporary moderator for a minute. So go and grab your YouTube channel link and post it for everyone. And if anyone wants to check out your channel, she said before she gets lots of subscribers from my show, and that's great. I love helping people. So there you go. Just bear with me a sec, guys. Got a slight technical glitch here. Okay. I hope I fixed it. Okay, so I'm going to make you a moderator just for a couple of seconds so you can post your link. There you go. I've done it now for you. Now you can post your link to your YouTube channel. I like supporting people here on the channel. And smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. And I'll support and help you grow your business as well. So there you go. Rivian just showing some resistance there. Right, I've given you the temporary moderator status, Queen of Self-Braiding. You can do it. If you've just joined us and you want $10 cash from me, free money, if you're in the US or you're in Europe, eTORO. It's another brokerage I now support. If you click on that, set up your account. Once you've done it, I will give you $10 of my own cash as a thank you for doing it. They give me a little bit, so I'm sharing it back with you. I'm not just keeping the referral money. I'm actually giving you $10. So if you set up an eToro account, and that's for the UK, US, and Europe. If you're in the US and you want Robinhood, and you can have both of these, this one you get a free stock. A few days ago, somebody won a Apple stock worth $150 through my referral. That's there for you. All right. Okay. Rivian now looks like it's consolidating. Will it hold there? We said, would it hit 120 bucks? 88% said yes. It's still holding though at 128. Let's see if it goes any lower. It's testing that position there. Tesla's now moving up slightly. Rocket Lab's starting to pick up. Starting to get a bit of a lift off now. Few things that are lifting off. Virgin Galactic's now starting to lift up again. Now it's found a new bottom. I certainly hope so. Gauze Guggenheim's lifting up now. Lucid lifting up now. People are buying in at these lower prices, which is always encouraging. Robinhood now 6% down. Amazon is having a great day, up 2% today. That's good. Harpoon still dropping. That's the lowest I've ever seen it. Wow, we're down at... That's really low now. On Rolls-Royce, Boeing. Boeing's recovering. Okay, great. 7%, and I want to get out of this position. Apple's having a good day, up 0.5%. SEV, wow, 13% down now. I got lost. Okay, there is your YouTube link. There you go. I got lost. You found it? There you go. All right. There you go. I made the Queen of Self-Braiding a moderator for a few moments. There you go. So she has a link in the chat. If any of you want to go and subscribe to her channel, she does. We've got a few ladies in the show today. If you're interested in braiding your hair, then she has a great channel for that. Hey, James McManus, notification didn't pop up for some reason. How are we all? The reason for that, James, is you haven't rung the bell and set it to all. Oh, and Baby Yodo has joined us as well. Wonderful stuff. Yeah, make sure when you subscribe, you also ring the notification bell and set the bell to all. All right? That's what that's all about. And I'll show you what that means. Let me go over to the trade a minute. Who else is getting killed today? We all are. Yeah, we all are. Everybody is. We're watching it very, very closely, though. Right, I wanted to show you, because we had a few people just talk about... right, I wanted to make this clear for you. There we go. I want to make this clear. Here we go. Here's the channel. This is for the benefit of James. When you click subscribe to the channel, see the little bell? All. All right? You need to go and do that. Does that make perfect sense? You need to go and do that. So just so you know, all right? So you unsubscribe. So just go and check that. Check you've done that. So you click subscribe, you click the bell, and you set it to all. Okay, that's very, very important. If you do that, then you should get the notifications. Okay. Usually sometimes don't send notifications, Martin. Yeah. They sometimes don't. You're absolutely right. But we're always live at the same time. Every day. And the other thing as well is if you go to the channel, you can see upcoming live streams. You can actually click reminder. They're all there. I already have all the shows at the top of the website, at the top of the channel, already there for you, ready to go. And you can actually register and get yourself in for the next day's show already. So that's how to do it. And what I mean by that, I'll show you. What I mean by that is this. There you go. So you can scroll here, look, upcoming live streams, and you can click on it, and you can already, look, click set reminder. See, for the next show, you can already click set reminder for the next show. All right, so that's how you make sure you don't miss a show. I get a lot of you actually comment on the shows before they start, so we're already learning about stocks and stuff like that, which is really, really great. You give me top tips, things to look at, and all the rest of it, so that's very, very good. Virgin Galactic is starting to pick up now. Rivian, okay, looks like Rivian now may have found a bottom, and for the benefit of James and Baby Yodo, I've got something for you where I'm giving you free money. You guys are in the UK. I've now set up an eTORO account to support the guys in Europe and UK, also in America. And here is my referral link. But what I'm doing is something a little bit special. If you set it up, I will give you $10 in cash for doing it. Because they give me a little bit, and I don't want to keep it all. I want to share it with you. So I give you $10. I've got six left. They allow you to do 10. I've got 6 left. Once your account's been verified and you funded it, I will get notified, and I will PayPal you or Apple Pay you a tip of $10. And also I'll support the eTORO account. This is it now. I set it up yesterday. I put $50 in, and I bought some Tesla, and I'm up today. Look, I'm up. There's my £50. Look, my British account. It also works in the US as well, if anyone's interested. All right. Let's go back over to Rivian and watch what's going on. Over there on TikTok, eTORO bought a higher price at 128. If you're over there on TikTok, come and join us here on YouTube. The icon is here. The YouTube link is right behind that icon. Let me shift over. Finally get my money out of trading. 212. Great. Well, you can have as many brokerage accounts as you like. It's not for everybody, but if you keep your fear at bay, you'll have a better day. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Absolutely. This is absolutely right. When the stocks go down, I see this is great. This is why I've been excited today. I've been excited that Rivian has gone down because I knew it would. I absolutely 100% knew it would. I made money on the way up, and now I'm making money on the way down because I want to be in this stock. If I didn't want to be in it, and I'm buying the dip, I'm going, and it keeps going down. It's awful because I don't want to be in it. I do want to be in it, and I don't mind it dropping back because now I'm buying the lowest prices it's going to be. Because in the future, this stock's going to get higher and higher and higher, right? Stocks are going to go up. It's going to be a great company. So what you want to do now is start to accumulate as the price gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and this will be ultimately the lowest price ever. In 5 years' time, it won't be this price, will it? So you can't lose. That's the way to do it. Great picture, Balasair. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? All right, you got to be quick, James. It's only I've got only 6 referrals left. After that, I can't give the $10 away anymore. Thanks, James. That's me. Right, now then, it's going to test the level again. It's going to it's testing at 126, and it's dropped to 125. So now it might go lower. And the more this goes on, the more people are selling out, the cheaper your stock's going to get. It's absolutely brilliant. It's a great opportunity, guys. This is a great opportunity to buy in to the company you first of all wanted to get into. So let's have a look over to the chart now. See, we've got more sellings coming, more sell-offs now coming in. Look at the chart, look. Starting to see red candles again, which means we're getting sell-offs again. So I'm going to buy another one in a minute. I've now, if you remember, I just sold 1 share of Tesla just so I can take some profit to be able to buy this here. Thanks, James. That's me. Right. It's showing a lot more resistance now at this level. It doesn't want to go much lower, does it? It likes it at this level. It likes it at this level. So I'm going to wait a couple of seconds, and if this doesn't go down again, I'm going to buy my 11th share, because it will bring my average down to buy another one at this price. My average now is 139. So let me wait. I have a bunch of random videos of my life on my channel. Oh, there we go. Balasir has a YouTube channel. Alright, Balasir, I'm going to make you a moderator temporarily. There you go. Would you like to post your YouTube link and share with everybody? There you go. Balasir, I've made you a moderator. So if you want to drop your YouTube link in there, everyone can click on it and have a look if they want to. Get to know more of you. Right. It's showing some resistance at this level now, so I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to buy another share of Rivian. So my average now is 139. Done. Right. Let's watch what happens now. $139. Wait for the screen to refresh. $138. There we go. My average is now 138. There you go. There is Balasir's YouTube channel for everybody. If you want to click on it, you can. And you can have a look at what he does and subscribe to his channel. Let's see if anyone subscribes to his channel. Open link in new tab. I'm even going to share it. Let's see. All right, he's got 593 subscribers right now. Let's see if he gets any more. Oh, I love model planes. I love model planes. This is his channel, by the way. This is his channel. Look, this is his channel. Love it. I'm going to subscribe to it. I'm going to subscribe. Be 593, 594. Ring the bell. All. There you go. I've subscribed and I've rung the bell to you. 593. You've now got 594. There we go. The Queen of Self-Braiding, you're not a moderator right now. I made you a temporary moderator so you could post your link. We can't have too many moderators in the show, so you're not a moderator at the moment. Moderators are people that follow my channel for a long time, and we get to know each other, and after a while, you might become a moderator. You're not a moderator right now. I made you temporarily, same in Balasir, so you could post your link. As we get to know you more and you've been supporting the channel, I add more moderators, but right now we don't need any more. So you're not a moderator right now. I don't live there anymore. I just moved a few months ago. It's been crazy. Right. Rivian just dropping again. 125. Tesla's now moving up 0.67 today. Rocket Lab starting to pick up. Rivian is still dropping down. SPCE is now improving. So did you buy those dips? GGPI moving now. If you wanted to get into that, now is not a bad time. Robinhood is now at 30. Amazon's having a great day. Amazon's making a great day. I wonder if Amazon's... Made some. I wonder if Amazon sold its position in Rivian. Because why is Amazon pumping like that? Look at that. That's a big push. I'd like to research that later. Rivian consolidating. Seems to like that support level, so that's why I keep buying an extra one at this level, and because it might have found a bottom. That might have found a bottom. Don't know. My portfolio now is showing $1,200. So I've got plenty of money. Any buying Neo? No, Luke, I'm not buying Neo. I don't like it. I don't like any Chinese stuff because of the manipulation, and you never know when the Chinese government are going to close it down or regulate. Don't like it. So to me, I don't like it. It's why I won't do Alibaba. I'm all about Amazon. I won't do Alibaba either. But anyone buying Neo, not for me. Is anybody else buying Neo in here? Luke9196 is asking the question. Over there on TikTok, you're asking, come over and join us here on YouTube and be part of the main show. The icon is here for you and the link's right there. Very, very easy. Yeah, China owns 20% of Neo. Yeah, exactly. It's not really for me. You know, at the end of the day, your portfolio should be balanced, okay? It should be balanced. If you want to grow a portfolio like I have done, it's balanced. It's not just all in one thing. So, you know, if you're going to invest in an EV company, then for me, Tesla is the best one. I think Rivian is great from the point of view of the Amazon deal. That's it. Alibaba down 10% today, yeah. Nah, like Martin, I tend to avoid anything like that, yeah. That's a James comment, and that's Jay Grunt's comment as well. So, yeah, we are. It does look like we are seeing a resistance at this level of 125, 126, 127. The lowest was 125. Look, it doesn't seem to want to go past that point there, at least not for now, anyway. So, you know. It's a lot less than it was 2 days ago, 180. So, and we're seeing some buying coming in. We're seeing some buying coming in at this position. People like it at this price. This could now be new investors thinking, right, now the IPO is settling back. I like it. I want to be in on Rivian. I want to be in on Rivian now the hype is settling down. Now you could argue that now. I still think it's overpriced, but you know, it's starting to be of an interest to people. It could go up from here. You know, at the end of the day, I've got 11 shares in it now. It's now 2.5% of my portfolio. I don't think I want to buy any more. I'm going to keep that money on standby. Thanks for subscribing, Martin, and thanks to anyone else who did as well. You guys are awesome. You are very, very welcome. 594. Shall I refresh it and see if it's gone up? 594. 596. There you go. You got 3 subscribers just by being one of my mates. One of Martin's mates. There you go. I'm really pleased for you, mate. Get to that 1,000, then you'll start 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. You can be a monetized channel. Takes a long time. We've now got 1,740 subscribers here on this channel. we're seeing some buying coming in now, a decent volume as well. If you look at that green candle, look, we're getting some now. Oh, by the way, I'm promoting everybody else's YouTube channel. Why don't I promote my own? Has everybody subscribed and rung the bell to my channel? My music channel, I mean now. My music channel. There you go. There is my music channel. Go and subscribe, ring the bell to that one. You've done it for everybody else. This is the music channel where I do live concerts every night. I think most of you have, right? I'm just saying, just in case you haven't, I want to make sure that you do. Right, Rivian is definitely seeing some support now. We've now got 26.5 million trades today. So the volume is getting less every day. Sub, thank you ever so much, James. Good stuff. You know, when you sub a YouTube channel, it's so important that you ring the, for one, that you want to follow, and you ring the bell and set notifications to all, because if you just subscribe to a channel, it doesn't help the channel unless you watch the videos, and you don't watch the videos unless you know they've got new videos coming out. So one of the great things you can all do to promote your channels is, when you watch one of my videos, comment below, in the comments below, not the live chat, the comments below, and that's like a business card you're leaving under my videos for everyone to see, so they can all click on your channel. So it's worth watching someone's video that you like, obviously, and then leave a comment below. It helps your channel out. Right, Lucid. See the same pattern here? Look, Lucid, people have sold, and now it's consolidating. People are buying back in now. Look, people took profits. Look at Lucid and Rivian, same pattern. Look at that. Lucid, Rivian. We've sold out. We've hit a consolidation point. People are going, okay, I don't want to sell anymore now, and people are now buying in, which is now pushing the price up. Rivian is starting to push up now for the very first time. So now, oh, and it's got some great volume. Look at the, this is why you trade, not just sit as a fan club owner. Because now we could pump up again. I'm only 7% down now, even though we are, I mean, what are we down since here? Since we were at the top, 38% up. Yeah, we're down. Yeah, 38% discount I've got. A 38% discount. So I'm only 6% down, even though the stock is down 38%. So I'm 32% better off than if I'd sat at the top and waited. Now it can go up and make money. I've got 11 shares of the stuff. It's brilliant. Very, very excited. So watch it go up. It might go up now. If it drops back again, that's fine. I don't mind. I want to be in the stock now. Now I'm in the stock. This is now more, not, when I say long term, now I'm looking at this stock could be worth $2,000-3,000 in a couple of years. I think it could. Maybe you know 3 or 4 years, something like that. But now I'm going to sit and leave it unless it drops back and I buy some more. Tesla's pumping now. Tesla's pumping now. That's great. So my portfolio should be moving now. Yeah. Yeah, we're just starting to see something now turn up. Christopher says, Nvidia would be good to be on since it's a GPU company and it's used for mining cryptocurrency. Ooh, now this guy knows all about networks. He is the creator, a coder, and half owner with me for Livestream Cafe, our own platform. We designed that, and Christopher wrote all the code for it. And it's a wonderful platform where musicians and artists can perform and keep all the tips. It's far better than Facebook and YouTube and all that stuff. And we have our own platform. And so this guy knows about technology. So there you go. Nvidia would be a good one to be in since it's a GPU company. Nvidia. And let's have a look. Yeah, I looked into them for a while and never jumped on to invest. I just saw their stock fly up. Nvidia. Here we go. We're getting a top tip here now from a guy who knows, understands it perfectly. So let's have a look. Nvidia. There we go. Let's have a look. Where are we right now? Nvidia is up 9% today. Let's have a look at it overall. Yeah, we've got huge growth here. Could be a top tip from Christopher Marantet. Bring it up again. I'm sharing it with you. You might want to have a little investment in this one. It's been around since 1993. It's 136% this year. A lot of growth here. 63%, 44%. 6 this one. Yep, it's good. A lot of growth right now. Nvidia is a great stock. Robert Durant has come on in. Good morning. Nice to see you. There we go. Let's put your name on the screen. Nvidia is a great one to be in. Thank you so much for joining us. Rivian tried to pump up and then got a bit of selling again. Depend on the regulations as well, especially with a big focus on Bitcoin mining not being eco-friendly. Yeah. But and Bitcoin can be eco-friendly. It depends how you provide your power. Everything you're seeing here today is run off a battery which is solar powered. So it can be done. It can be done. There are companies now that are doing that. My entire studio is all LED. All the lights are LED. Everything's super efficient, and it all runs off a battery pack, an Ego battery pack, and so on and so forth. And if you're interested in that, by the way, this is my Amazon shop. Does anyone use Amazon, by the way? Does anyone use Amazon and is interested in all the equipment that's in my studio, or wants to help me out for free? Let me tell you a little secret, right? And you can all do this. There's a way to make a bit of money. It's not much, a few pence, but it's, Here's my Amazon shop. It's in the chat right now. If you all bookmark that, oh, hang on, let me change that a minute. That needs adjusting. Hang on. If you all bookmark this, save this as your Amazon link. All right, there's a little top tip, right? That's my Amazon shop. If you want to support me, and at no effort to you at all, and at no cost to you at all, use that link to go onto Amazon. Within 24 hours, anything you buy on Amazon, I get a small commission. It costs you absolutely nothing, and I will then, if you want any support on that product, I will do a video for you and support you. So there you go. So if you use Amazon, if you want, all the equipment in my studio is in that shop. Not all of it, but most of it is, right? And if you use that as a link to go onto Amazon, you come through my link, I get a small, like 1% commission. And what I'm thinking of doing is, if that starts to take off, like give half of it back to you. In other words, you get free money. It hasn't happened yet. I've only just started it. But if coming up to Christmas, if you all bookmark that Amazon link and you use that to buy stuff on Amazon, because you once you use my link, just go. It's Amazon. You just go wherever you like, right? Once you use that link, anything you buy within 24 hours, I get like a 1% commission. So what I was thinking of doing is giving 50% back to you, so you get free money. How about that? Does that sound good? Try it out. If I get enough of you do it, I'll do it. I've just set it up. I don't know if anyone's going to do it yet, but theoretically, it's easy, right? AMSL is a great stock too, but pretty expensive. They develop, produce, market, sell and service. Top tip coming in from Balliser. Take a look at it, everybody. There you go. Just wanted to share this with everybody. If you're interested, this is my shop. See what others see. There you go. This is my Amazon shop. Gifts for Christmas, clothes that I wear in the studio. Look at that. This is all the equipment I use in my studio. There's the battery pack I use to power the studio. So this is completely, you know, I charge it from the solar and it powers the studio. Backup power. This is all the equipment I use. Gifts for Christmas. Do you want to wear one of my jumpers? And do you want to buy some Christmas lights and wear one of my fancy jackets? Look, there's my shirts. Look at that. There's my link. So you've got it in the live chat. If you use that, and then then you're there. Look, you're on Amazon. You can go to Amazon, and I get a small commission for doing it. And as I say, if enough people do it, I bookmark your Amazon. Sweet. Nice. Thanks, mate. Brilliant. Brilliant. And if enough people start doing it, I'm going to give you like money back. I think why not? If I get 1% from something you buy, right? It's free money to me. It didn't cost you anything, and I'll just give you a tip back. I think that's nice, right? Everybody wins out of Amazon. I love it. Right, definitely consolidating now at Rivian. Definitely consolidating. I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to buy another one now, I think, and lower my average again. So I'm going to buy another one. So here we go. I'm going to buy another one now. Share one. Right, review order. So I'm going to buy another Amazon, another Rivian. We've now got 8.43, 138. Right. 138 is my average. Okay, 138 minus 8. Let's see what happens. 138 minus 8. Let's see what happens. Ready? It'll go down. 138 minus 8. Give it a couple of seconds. 138 minus 8. 137 minus 7. Great. Brilliant. There you go. I have Ego lawn equipment. It's amazing. Never going to go to gas. No, absolutely. There you go. Ballasur, thank you for sharing that. Yes. Do you know what I absolutely hate? Every Friday, it'll come tomorrow, you'll hear it. Every Friday, all these bloody guys turn up with their bloody noisy gas lawnmowers to cut blades of grass. Only in Texas do people use tanks to cut a little delicate blade of grass. The whole of Europe now has pretty much gone away from gas lawnmowers, and they use electric ones like Ego. And I'm glad you've shared that with everyone. I'm the same. All right? I'm all into Ego equipment, right? It's just as powerful, in fact, more powerful than a gas lawnmower. It's silent, virtually silent, doesn't pollute the atmosphere. You can power it for free from solar or electricity if you don't have solar. It has no maintenance. It doesn't need oil changes. It's better. It's a win-win-win. And the Ego equipment that I've got, which Ballasur is talking about down here, the batteries can go into my little supply here. The batteries can go into lawnmowers. I literally pull them out. Look, I'll show you. Look. Look, there it is. There's one of the batteries. I've got 4 batteries, and if you're wondering now why the power hasn't gone off, the power hasn't gone off because there's 3 more batteries working. Look, see, I've just pulled one out. Anyway, I'll go and put it back in again. So that powers my entire studio, and also then I can use the batteries to, mow the lawn or pick up the leaves or whatever I want. There is an algorithm that shows ASML as 1,200 in a year and 3,000 in 3 years. Wow. ASML. Should we have a look at it? Dr. Nathan Smith's back. Hello, Dr. Nathan Smith. How are you? Good to have you back. we've just been having some fun with the Ego battery pack power supply that I use to power the studio. And we were just talking about it a minute ago. This is my Amazon shop. This is where I get ready for Christmas, look. And this is how I power the studio, with one of these things. And you take the batteries out of that, these batteries here, and you put them on your lawnmower. And you can have a silent lawnmower. Doesn't pollute. Doesn't need maintenance. Cuts just as well. More powerful, actually. I love it. So if you like your EVs, get yourself an EV lawnmower. But really, really good. And we were just talking about it earlier. Another little gift that I'm going to do, because we're coming up for Christmas. Bookmark this. Bookmark this link here. This is my Amazon link, Dr. Smith. This is my Amazon shop. And if you use that as your entry point onto Amazon, it's an Amazon shop. I mean, look, it literally is my Amazon. It is Amazon. But if you come through my shop, this is all the stuff I have in the studio, and these are all the gifts for Christmas I buy, and these are all the clothes I wear in the studio. But if you use this link, this is Amazon. If you come through my link, I get like a 1% commission from anything you buy. I'm going to start giving half of it back to you. So if you use my link to go to Amazon and buy Christmas presents, and you spend $1,000, $100 or $1,000, I might earn $10. I'll give you $5 back. I haven't yet set that. I haven't done it for anybody, given anybody money back, because I've just set it up. But if enough of you do it, I might do it. All right, so try it out. See if anyone does it. I am well and had a few meetings to knock out. Will do. Thanks, mate. I mean, you might as well. You're on Amazon anyway. If you use my Amazon link and I earn a small commission, it doesn't cost you anything. And then all my day traders, it's a bit of free money for you to put in your portfolio. Yeah, it's a good idea, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm going to do it. Is half back fair? Is half back fair? What do you reckon, everybody? Is that a good idea? Should I do it? For all my day traders, you have my Amazon shop. You bookmark it as an Amazon link. You use it as an Amazon link. You buy stuff on Amazon. It tells me how much I earned. I give you half back. That's a win, isn't it? Yeah, let's do it. There you go. Dr. Smith said, yeah, it is. I think it's a good idea. Right, consolidation now. Definitely Rivian's is consolidating. This is brilliant. So Dr. Smith, while you've been away, what I've been doing, I've been buying the dips, and I've consolidated now. I've now got 12 shares of Rivian. So the 38% drop, I am now down just 6%. Brilliant. So I've saved myself 32% with this, and it looks like it's consolidated now at 128. So I bought back the dips. Absolutely great. I've now got an average of 137, and it's 3% of my portfolio. I'm not going to buy any more just yet because I think it could go lower. It could go lower. We've got a little question here. Will Rivian hit 120? 75% yes, 25% no. Smash the like button if you want Rivian to go back up again. Subscribe and ring the bell. All right. So anyway, I will pick I will pick up some more Ethereum. Yeah. Should you have a look? Ethereum, bit of a drop today. 4% today. There we go. Let's have a look. Let's go over to what we're looking at here. That's it. Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum is down 4% today. And so is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's got a drop as well. 2% today. Still 13% of my portfolio. I'm not going to buy any more just yet, though. Rivian. See, we are seeing some buying coming in at this level now. All crypto is down here. Yeah. Still think that Bitcoin will go to 100,000 by end of the year. Still think that can happen. I like the fact that Rivian is now consolidating. I'll show you how it looks on the applet. That's how it looks. It definitely looks like consolidation. It could go lower, folks. I mean, it is still overpriced. Why am I buying in? Because I want to be in the stock. I want to be in. I'm just making money on the way down as well. That's all. Because if it starts to lift up again, I'm there, ready to go, aren't I? And if it goes lower, I'll buy some more. So I'm going to win whichever way around I do it. Dread to think what the administration would be like. Administration? What's that mean? Over on TikTok. Are you in the studio? Yes, but you're missing the show. You can't see it. If you come in, for those of you that are on TikTok right now, click the profile link here, click the icon and come into YouTube. That's where all my serious traders are, where you can see my real trading screens. That either side, you're watching me on a phone, either side of the phone are my trading screens. And all my traders and so on and so forth. And you can see, and I've made it really easy for you. I've put a little link here behind the icon. You click the icon, you click the YouTube, the icon on TikTok, and you'll find my YouTube link. Come and join me. Did you see ENS crypto? No, I didn't, Robert. I don't know anything about it. I'm only in Bitcoin and Ethereum now. I'm really mainly in Bitcoin, but Dr. Nathan Smith convinced me to buy some Ethereum, and I like Ethereum. I think Ethereum's got a great future too. And I don't really want any more. I'd rather invest in companies. That's enough. Brilliant. And by the way, with the Amazon thing, the moment someone, it's pretty much immediate. It's like the next day. If you order something through Amazon, go use my Amazon link to go onto Amazon. The moment you go on it, it's like a day later. It tells me what the commission is, and as I say, I will give 50% back to you. So it's free money for Christmas for everybody. All right, and I'll share with you again what I've got and stuff like that. It's Ethereum name service. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know anything about it, Robert, so I can't comment. I could hit $100,000, but it could. Hang on. I could hit $100,000, but it could hit $1,000 also. Yeah, you just never know which way the wind's blowing. I picked up some ENS this morning on Coinbase. There we go. Dr. Smith picked up some ENS this morning on Coinbase. Yeah, I've not got any of that. I just get a bit confused having too much crypto, right? So, Tesla's having a great day. We're now moving up nicely. 1,100 now. Absolutely brilliant. Am I sad that I sold that one share of Tesla? No. It's there to make a profit from, right? It's not there just to join a fan club. I made some money from it and I bought the dip in. So I've made money on Tesla to save money on Rivian. That's how you get your portfolio to grow. Otherwise, it just stays. It doesn't do very much. Nvidia is trading sideways. This was a top tip from Christopher Marantet today. He gave us this tip. Rivian definitely consolidating. SPCE pushing up again. Thank God for that. Gores Guggenheim pushing up today. This is the merger. This is the merger with Polestar. Could be interesting. Lucid trading sideways. Look at how it look at the correlation, guys. See, same people are buying the same stocks. See that? Exactly the same. It dropped. Now it's consolidating. People have found a new low and they're sticking with it. See that? There you go. Robinhood starting to recover. Amazon is having an almighty day. This is a brilliant day for Amazon, by the way. Amazon doesn't get percentage rises like this in the day. I've got 0.27 of a share of Amazon. If you've just come in and you want to win $3, I've got $50 left to give away. $50 left to give away. I've now started to support eToro as well. We do show it on the show. So here is my eToro referral. They give me a little bit of a referral bonus. So I share it with you and I give you $10 back once you've set up your account. And this is my eToro account, so you can see it. We do now support eToro as well. I opened it up. I put $50 in there. And I'm up today with Tesla. Thank you very much indeed. It's my pounds. Look, it's in pounds. It's for the UK and Europe and the United States. You can have an eToro account as well if you want to get £10. Sorry, $10 or £10, whichever it is. $10, yeah, $10, that's what it is. So if you want that, I've got 6 opportunities left. They allow me to do 10. Right, back to Rivian. We're looking, definitely consolidating now. Should I buy another one? I've now got 12 shares. My average is 137. I could buy another one and lower it again. Or should I wait for it to go even lower? My portfolio is now showing a buying power of 1,100. I do think Rivian could go lower. I do, but it's certainly showing some resistance at 127. That's quite a drop. You know, if you look at it, it's quite a drop. Afternoon all. Dave Mottram has just joined us. Afternoon, Dave. How are you, mate? We've been buying the dips today, so we've saved ourselves like nearly 40% now. From up here, 38% up, down to where we are now. Yeah, but 38% savings today from where we were. So I've been buying the dips back, and we've now got a consolidation, it looks like, at 127. And I keep adding to the position. Each time I see it trade sideways, I buy another one. Because I want to take it up to about 20 shares. About 20 shares would suit me. It's now 3% of my portfolio. I'd like to get to about 5%. I think 5% would be a healthy position. So do I buy another one at 127, or shall I wait for it to go lower? I'm actually thinking I'm going to buy another one. I'm going to buy another one at 127. Review the order. Or do I just see it drop us slightly? I'm going to buy that. All right. So now my average will change again. It'll be 13 shares. And let's watch. It'll go minus 7.8137. Minus 7.8137. Give it a few seconds and we'll see what that does. 137. Minus 7.8137. It's about 15 seconds you have to wait. There we go. 136 now. Minus 7.2. There we go. So that we go. I've now got 13 shares of it. $1,600 worth invested in it. At these prices. Okay. Tesla's moving up. My portfolio now is just trading sideways. Okay, let's get everybody's score because we're coming to the end of the show. Everybody give us your score. On the day, I'm down 2.5%, 2.5%. Who wins today? Go to your main portfolio, whichever portfolio is your main portfolio. Look on the day and tell me where you are. I am down today 2.49. I am down 2.8. So I beat Dr. Smith. Let's have a look. I'm down 0.17. That's pretty good. Down. Oh, Sam Laidler. You're very quiet, Sam. Didn't even know you were here. Down 2.95. Okay. There's Sam. I didn't even know Sam was here today. Paul was down 1.17. It looks like we could be a down day then. Paul was winning. He's only down 0.17. Does anybody beat that? Is anybody actually up today? Queen of Sheba is down 3.5. It looks like Paul is the winner. I am down 3.5. Looks like Paul's the winner. And down 0.77. Right. Looks like Paul is the winner. I'm going to give it to Paul in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to give the winner. Congratulations, Paul. You are our winner today. Isn't it awful that the winner is someone who's down? That's my only Robinhood account only. Most of my portfolio are UK funds and ETFs, though. That's okay. That's okay. You are the winner. So, Paul, you are the day trader of the morning. Remember, the competition is for the whole day, not just the morning. But congratulations to you. Congratulations, Paul. Let's give him a big thank you very much for sharing your portfolio. And, of course, give him a big round of applause. There we go. Paul is the winner today. He is our trader. So in the last few minutes before we go, if anyone would like to get themselves an eToro account anywhere in Europe or the United States and get free $10 from me, set that up. If you'd like to use my Amazon my Amazon shop as an entry to Amazon for you, another way you get free money, bookmark this as your Amazon link on your browser. You'll go through my shop, but it's right on Amazon, makes no difference. And the wonderful thing about it is, what I'm going to do for all my day traders is, whatever you buy, I get a small commission. It could be just 1%, it could be 2%, I don't know. But whatever it is, I will give you half of it back. So in other words, you get free money from Amazon by using my referral. It doesn't cost you anything, it doesn't do anything. It just means to say that if you want to save a bit more money on Amazon, then you can. It normally comes through 24 hours after you buy something. It lets me know, and then I'm going to give you some free money. How cool! Imagine coming up to Christmas, and I give everybody like $50 each or $100. I mean, it could add up, right? You get free money from me. Queen of Sheba is down 3%, 0.3%. Yeah, our winner is still Paul. Paul done very, very well today to be down just 0.17. So congratulations, Paul. Robert Durant washed his hands. 0. Fair enough. Rivian just dropped back slightly, but it looks still around this 125.85. Look, 126 round here now. So I bought 13 shares of it now. So yeah, I'm just down 7% now. So we're looking for an opportunity that this could pop up again. I'll make some money. If it drops back, I'll buy a few more. Doesn't really matter. All right. So I hope everyone's registered. I hope everyone's bookmarked the Amazon link for their free Christmas money, holiday money. And if anyone's set up the eToro account, once it gets verified, I'll send you your $10. Lucid trading sideways, doing exactly what Rivian has been doing. If you notice that, Robinhood's down today, another 6%. Virgin Galactic's costing me an absolute fortune, but I'm glad it's moving up now. But this will be January though. I thought I was clapping for Paul. I thought that was clapping. Washing my hands. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is. Yes, it's washing your hands. Yeah, it's yeah. It just says washing hands for me. I thought you meant as in you got 0 on if you get a wash, it's 0. But anyway, did hear you call me the Queen of Sheba? Did I just say that? The Queen of Self-Braiding. I do apologise. I didn't mean that. I am a shimlin. I didn't mean the Queen of Sheba. I meant the Queen of Self-Braining. I apologise. I've been watching The Royal Family. It's a comedy in the UK from the BBC. And a couple of days ago, I watched the Queen of Sheba. So I didn't mean to say that. I apologise. Then you could buy anti-Ian stock with your money from Martyn. What's that? You could buy what? You could buy anti-Ian stock from free money. Yeah, you're going to get free money from me. Classic Royal Family, yeah. The mugs. We're building the shop. It's taking a lot longer than I thought. I apologise, but it's coming. Just got to bear with us, all right? Just bear with us. The shop is a bit more complicated than I thought it was, but it's coming. The Classic Royal Family, yeah. Sam Laidler said yes. And yes, you can. You get free money just by using my Amazon link as your entry to Amazon. It costs you absolutely nothing, but the commission I get, I will give you 50% back. Can't say fairer than that, guys. Free money. I think the more you give in life, the more you get back, and I'm just always trying to think of ways to give back to my day traders because I love this community and I think it's brilliant. Right. I'm going to keep Rivian open. I'm going to end the show. We'll all be back here this afternoon. Now, for those of you who have been saying I don't get notifications, all right, I'll make it easy for you. Here's the link for this afternoon show. I'll put that in at the end of each show now. So you can already go there. You can already go there and click reminder. And you can also leave a comment as well. So if you want me to research anything throughout the afternoon, I'll be looking at that, seeing it, and doing some research for you. All right, there we go. There is the link for this afternoon show. All right, and that's what it looks like on YouTube, the closing bell. And that's in 3 hours' time. I can't believe it, just 3 hours. Right, I've got to go and do some work. Got to continue doing this work on my shop. And autocorrect, it should have said, oh, Rivian. That's right, you could buy Rivian stock with your money from Martyn. Absolutely right. You could. You absolutely could. That's the idea. That's the idea. We're all making money from all of this. If we all support each other, we all get money, right? It's brilliant. Okay. I'll see you all back later. You are a good man, Martyn. Well, what else have you got to do? You know, just enjoy life, have a bit of fun. You know, I was only thinking the other day, actually. In fact, last night I was sat on the sofa. Leah had gone to bed, and I was looking at some old videos. I was on YouTube actually, and I was looking at videos of music and singers I used to follow and still do, but haven't forgotten about. Great songs I used to listen to as a kid. Matt Monro and stuff like that, Frank Sinatra, and I thought, bloody hell, you know, where are all these people now? And time goes by, you know, I'm 52, and I think, you know, it's all over very, very quickly. Just got to enjoy life, have a laugh, and give more than you get, and the get takes care of itself. I think so. I just made that up. Does that make any sense? Give more than you get, and the get takes care of itself. I think it does. Anyway, have a lovely day, everybody. Be wise, be sensible. Hey, can you believe it? We've got a guy in here with $500,000 on Rivian near the top. Ooh, scary. I hope he's been buying the dips. I don't know. He said his wife's not very happy with him. He's still here in the. I don't know if he's still watching right now, but hopefully he'll be back later on and let us know how he gets on. But we could be about to make some money with Rivian again, or we could be able to get some more discounts. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other.